Hi guys, it's Beatty. Today I have recreated a makeup from Rain on Me music video. I hope you will enjoy. I will start off with the pore filling primer, and I will just use this around my nose. Next I'm using the full coverage foundation, and I'm applying this with a sponge. Now I'm going to conceal under the eyes. I'm also going to bring this concealer here in the inner corner. Now I will add some powder, and I'm also going to powder the eyelids because there's going to be no eyeshadow there, but we still need to set it. So now for bronzer, I'm going to use the Nars Casino, and I'm using the same big fluffy brush that I used for powder because I want to bronze the face rather than contour. And ARIANA is always really bronzy all over, so I'm going to just go around my temples and forehead just to make sure that I have maximum bronzer possible. For the eyes, I'm starting with the liner and I'm using a black gel. So first I'm going to just put it in the roots of the lashes all the way along. And then we'll start to shape the line. So I'm making quite a thick line all the way on the eye, and then I'm going to create the flick, and it was quite a long flick as well. Okay, so that's the basic idea of the liner, and we can do some fine-tuning once the white is on. And she also had the liner and the waterline. She had it lined all the way in here as well, in the inner corner. I'm also going to tightline a bit on the outer corner, just because I think it will look better with this waterline filled in. Now for the white, I'm going to be using this brush, so it's a very small point pencil brush, and the Jeffree Star liquid lips in white. This is eye safe, so you can use that, or you can find the white eyeliner, but personally I think this looks better. So I just loaded the white on the brush, and I'm going to start with the underneath part. So she had it going from the liner and underneath as well. So if you see, I'm just mapping out the shape first, so I have hardly anything on the brush. So it's easier to erase if you make a mistake. So she had it kind of all the way along like this, and then going around the liner. If you put a bit too much on one side, you can take a Q-tip and just roll it there, just to remove that, and add it how it's supposed to be. And then she also had a line here on the top, connecting to that outer corner. So this is a very light map out of how I want the shape to be. I'm going to quickly do the other eye, just because it will be easier to adjust once you have both. This is as close as I'm going to get to the other shape. So now I'm just going to add more of that white liquid lips, just to thicken the line and make it more opaque. And always keep a Q-tip handy for mistake erasing. Now I'm just going to take the concealer brush and just sharpen those lines even more. I'm using a bit of foundation on the brush as well. Nothing's perfect, but it can be edited. I think this is as close as we're gonna get. So now I want to just add the eyeliner again. Just because I can see that it needs to be a little bit longer. Especially on this side when I went over it with the white a bit. Now I'm just going to add a coat of mascara. And I'm pretty sure she just had some individual lashes on as well, so I'm going to do that. I added the individual lashes and now I'm going to do the eyebrows. So her eyebrows are quite straight. The shape is just straight across. Mine have a pretty strong arch, so I'm not going to be able to replicate it 100%, but I can just add some more hairs here on the bottom under my arch and some here without adding anything here on top, and it will make it look a little bit more straight. For highlight, I'm using the Jeffree Star palette and I'm going to be using this one. Her highlight is always very strong, so I'm applying a lot. I'm just going to go around just to make sure that it's nice and soft and blended. Now I'm going to add some on my nose, to the tip as well, and to the cupid's bow. I'm also going to add a little bit above my brow. Now I'm taking a brownie nude lip liner and I'm going to accent the cupid's bow. She also has very straight line here, so I'm going to try to recreate that. Now I'm just going to take a gloss and add it on top. And it was quite a brownie nude in the video. It also had a hint of pink, so I think it was a gloss just because her natural lips were shining through. And that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please hit the thumbs up. For more makeup tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. See if you put a bit in the line and make it just going to go around to make sure that there's no sharp corners. Highlight mustache.